Hello, I'm Artifacts of Mars, and I have temporarily suspended my Mars disclosure work because of the deepening crisis in Japan with nuclear reactors. We're in very grave danger right now, folks. What you're seeing here is a 1960s era civil defense Geiger counter that I bought on eBay. It measures gamma radiation, basically. I'm going to be using that to test for background. So far, my results have been that we are experiencing radiation levels well above normal background radiation. Somewhere in the range of 100 milliroentgen per hour to 120 milliroentgen per hour, possibly a bit higher in some spikes. That's too high. Okay, radiation exposure from whole body, like over a period of hours. 25 Roentgen, you get small blood changes happening, start to feel the effects. 125 Roentgens, you get radiation sickness starting in. You lose your hair, your teeth. You lose control of your sphincter muscles, which means you have uncontrollable diarrhea and so forth. Very nasty. At 500 Roentgen per hour, 500 Roentgen, 50% will die. Those who live will suffer severely debilitating and long-lasting effects. And at 1,000 Roentgens, you're dead. No ifs, ands, or buts. This is whole body, single dose, like over a few hours, radiation exposure. It doesn't count when you have your teeth x-rayed or anything like that. That's a totally different situation. Okay, so where do you think you're safe? East Coast of the U.S., Canada, Europe? Okay, the answer is none of the above. You're not safe. Can you trust your government to tell you the truth? If you do, you're a fool. These are people who are paid to lie all the time. That's what they do for a living. Can you trust the press? Same notation. No, you can't trust them either. But I gotta take a little dig at Rush Limbaugh. He's playing this down like this is some sort of a game. I am very disappointed in Mr. Limbaugh. I'm generally pretty conservative. But I'm very disappointed in Mr. Limbaugh because he doesn't think that this is anything like Chernobyl was, and that's BS. This is extremely severe. It's far worse than Chernobyl ever was, even at the height of the radiation exposure. So thumbs down, Mr. Limbaugh. What am I doing here? Well, I'm going to be taking readings. I'm going to try to do it on a daily basis, checking for background, possibly in several places. And I'm going to put it on YouTube and on disclosed.tv and try to show the public what's going on. Whether you choose to believe the readings or not is your business. Well, somebody's got to speak up. Somebody's got to take action. We have to have people out there willing to take the readings and show the public what they are, even if they're normal readings. Because we cannot sit back and wait on our government to tell us the truth. If you do, you're likely to be cooked alive in your own juices, if you know what I mean. These people are beyond reprehensible. They don't communicate with other people. All they want to do is get reelected. Find new ways to screw us out of money. Well, I'm thinking this is one of the reasons we have these underground bunkers, because people, the elites, are headed to them, I'm sure. I'm Artifacts Mars. Thank you for your attention.